Okay, so right now I'm gonna demonstrate a complete walkthrough of our application. So let's imagine we have two phones, and I'm just gonna assume that this one is gonna be the technician and this one's gonna be the customer. So let's go with technician first. Say I don't have an account yet. I'm just gonna go and sign up for a new account. I'm just gonna enter a random email. I'm just call it mytechnician@gmail.com. Password is password1. Okay, save that. Okay, registration. Okay, so just type in some personal information. I'm just gonna call this person Jim Moriarty. The contact number can be whatever. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The zip code is 164110. The specialization is going to be the mechanic. And the rate, I'm just going to say that my rate is $75 an hour. Okay, good. Just going to add details. And upon successful registration, it's going to take me into the technician homepage, where there are three main functions. I can either log out, or I can get a map, or I can go to settings. And in the settings, I can change my personal information, which I don't want at this point for the sake of time. But you can change it whatever you want. It's gonna be permanent change though, because it's gonna override whatever entry that exists in the Firebase database. So say I just want to go back for now, and I'll go to the map, which I will be waiting for the incoming customer request, and I'll be standing there just listening to whatever customer is currently requesting me. And I'll go to the customer side and do the same thing with the registration. For the email, I'm just going to type in the my customer at gmail.com. Does that sound okay? Password is password1 also, just to be universal. And then I can type in my name. Just call it Bob Smith. The contact number can be whatever. 1, 2, 3, 5, 4, 6, 8. Okay. And then the zip code can be similar to the 1641112. And then I'm going to click the details. So the customer homepage is going to be a little different than the technician homepage, in a way that it has a search bar where I can type in whatever I'm in need. So let's say I want a mechanic in my house right now. So I'm just going to click search. Upon searching, it's going to show me a list of all the current mechanics. But this median person is not online right now because we only have 2 online phones. So instead we have Jim Moriarty, who is online on the other side right now. So we just click this person, and this is for confirmation purpose, Jim Moriarty. And then this is the request button. You can just go ahead and click this one, and then there will be a confirmation box. Yes, I would like to request this technician. Okay. And it's going to show us that our technician has been selected and found at the location 2,800 meters away from me. Let's zoom out of the map and see where that person is. So the person is over here. The mechanic or the technician is over here. Currently select technician. Let's see in the technician map, see how that works. Okay, so it's pretty relative, right? Because the technician is over here and repair location is over here compared to this side over here. The technician is over here, and then the repair location is over here. So it's updated in real time. We can see that by going to the Firebase database. So in the table, we're going to have the technician available and technician busy, because the technician is not really available or free anymore is in a technician busy table. And in the table, we're going to have the latitude value and the longitude value showing the current location of the technician. And we are going to have one more customer request table where we update the repair location of that customer once a customer clicks on that request technician button. Okay, so let's get back to this. So how do we get them to meet one another? Because this is not a real phone. So what I could do is I go to the emulator. I can just say that the technician is moving closer and closer to the customer. Okay, so I'm just gonna say that this is getting closer to. So, and you see over here, the technician found at location 1,487 meters away from you. So it's getting closer, right? It used to be like 2,800. Right now it's 1,400. So it's closer. And let's say I wanna get even closer to my target. It's over here. And click send. It's getting to 1,100. So what about getting to this value? Okay, 500 meters away from me. It's getting closer. Let's make that 362. Okay, so the technician is nearby, within 200 meters. Please be prepared. Same thing goes for the technician. You're nearby, within 200 meters. Please be prepared. Okay, say you are really, really close, but not there yet. You've not arrived yet. So, 1. Okay, so that, yeah, you're here. You're technically here. So for the technician side, you can go ahead and click on Start Session, and it's going to update over here. So session start for the customer, and whatever you've done fixing, you can go ahead and click to end session, and there will be warning message just in case that you accidentally click it, just to confirm, and you think you're ready to go, then you press yes I do. Then you show up on both screens that, yeah, do you want to rate this person that you just have a business with. So if you want to go with the rate this customer, yeah, you can go ahead and click whatever stars you want and tell that, you know, this customer is in a hurry, so just give them 3 stars. Okay. And how about this technician? Quality is as expected. Okay, you can go ahead and send feedback to this person. And the rating is, the feedback will not be stored, but the rating will be stored upon that in the corresponding entry in the Firebase database. So let's say, you know, our customer is my customer, right? The name is Bob Smith, which we created, and the rating is 3. Go to the technician side. The technician is my technician, right? Generality. The rating over here is 4. So it's updated. It was not here before. This is after registration and after the session, everything is stored correctly. Alright, thank you for watching my video. I hope that it clears up a lot of understanding about our application. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to contact me or any of my team members. Thank you very much for watching again.